Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is something many of us struggle with, which is how to balance work and personal life. And since I've received a few DMs on this topic, I've decided to make a video on it. Here are my 5 tips on how to balance work and personal life so you can live a more peaceful and stress free life. But before we dive into it, don't forget to show this video some love by liking, commenting, sharing it with your friends, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. I post videos and tutorials about art, design, and marketing. Now let's dive right in. Starting off with the first tip, which is maintain a schedule. The first and most important step is setting a clear schedule and creating boundaries between work and personal life. It is tempting to work on our projects 24/7, but that can quickly lead to burnout and neglecting our other aspects of our lives. So, set specific working hours. For example, I work from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. on weekdays, much like a regular job. And sometimes I pick 1 or 2 Saturdays as well if I have projects that need more time that I already have planned. This way, I ensure that I have enough time for personal activities, for family, and also for friends. Second, create a productive workspace. Having a dedicated workspace is crucial for increasing productivity and also for having better focus while working. I've personalized my workspace to make it more comfortable and also inspiring. Also, make sure that it's clutter free and organized. This way, you'll be less distracted and more focused on the project you're working on. I recycled old boxes and food containers to store my art supplies and my folders in. And this way, I spend less money on storage containers and also I decorated them so they fit my aesthetic and my taste. 3. Set time for yourself. As a home based worker, we often forget to take care of ourselves. Our life shouldn't revolve around your work only. If you only focus on work and neglect yourself, you will quickly overload your mind and also your body, and the burnout period will start. This is why it is very important to keep up with your hobbies, maintain your social connections. Engaging in activities you enjoy helps alleviate stress and gives your mind a much needed break. Whether it is reading, cooking, or going out for a walk, make time for things that bring you joy. 4. Time management techniques. Effective time management is key to juggling both career and personal commitments. Here are 3 time management techniques that I use for better managing my work time. The first one is the Pomodoro technique. The second one is the Eisenhower matrix, and the last one is the 80-20 rule. The Pomodoro technique is the technique that is all about dividing your working time into segments of 25 minutes of focused work and 5 minutes of breaks in between. When you complete 4 sets of both, make a longer break between 20 to 30 minutes and start the sequence again. Now, this technique is great for maintaining focus and to make sure you take regular breaks during your work. The Eisenhower matrix. The importance of this technique is to list all of your monthly or weekly tasks and then split them into categories. The categories are urgent and important, and then not urgent but important, urgent but not important, not urgent and not important. And with this technique, you know exactly which tasks need to be done ASAP and which ones can wait a bit longer. The 80-20 rule, it is actually called the Pareto principle. and it emphasizes the tasks that give the maximum return, but you can do them quickly. So you do 20% of the work upfront, but get 80% of the results back. This is done by first examining all your monthly or weekly tasks. Then you need to prioritize the most important tasks. And then next is to identify which tasks offer the greatest returns and remove the less important tasks. Your final step is actually to make a plan of execution and put all of your tasks into your schedule with specific time slots. The fifth tip is to say no. When working from home, you may be persuaded with various opportunities of requests that can take away your personal time. Learning to say no gracefully is an essential skill to protect your work life balance. Prioritizing your commitments is important because in this way you can, without a doubt, decline projects that may overburden you. Finding the right balance between work and life when working from home is a consistent journey, and it requires practice and self awareness. Be kind to yourself and do not be too harsh if you encounter setbacks. You are human. When creating a schedule, the right work environment, maintaining your free time, using time management techniques, and learning to say no, you will be well on your way to achieving a fulfilling and balanced life. If you found this video helpful, please show it some love by liking, commenting, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. I post similar videos and tutorials about art, design, and marketing. See you until next time.